Hello, my ginger bread and jelly bean. Welcome back to an episode of JVLOGS. This is Mark speaking. Thanks to all the new subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. Thanks for tuning into the channel. Now, today I just want to talk about relationships, and I just want to give some advice on relationships. A lot of times we go into relationships and people start caring for us, and we care for them just the same, and we start getting attached, and we think, alright, this is it, this is it, this is going to work. Most time that's not really the case. Relationships, especially nowadays, relationships are strange, they're weird. People are not what they seem, people are not who they really are. A lot of people make up stories, a lot of people pretend to be somebody they're not. A lot of people are confused, and most of these confused people, they will give you the type of energy that you need, that you were longing for, but in the end it is not really what you really need. It is just a part of the whole scheme of things, because nothing lasts forever, and a lot of people don't last forever. A lot of relationships don't last forever, and we have to be mindful of that, and we have to take that in consideration when we're meeting people and dealing with people or dealing with no relationship. Again, a lot of these people, they will treat you the best, they'll buy you everything, and a few months from now they will drop you, or they'll make up excuses, or they'll do some dumb stuff that doesn't make any sense, and then that will hurt you, and then you'll go back into this phase where you don't trust people anymore, and put up your wall and barrier, prevent the good people from actually coming into your life. So I want you to take that into consideration when dealing with people or relationship, especially nowadays. There's a lot of jokers around. There's a lot of people that pretend for a long period of time. A lot of people that say that they care, but they don't really care about you to the full extent that you would care for them. A lot of people go halfway in, and as long as they're happy and they're getting what they need, they will jump out when they're ready. So be mindful of that as well, because again, people do play games. So I just want to give that little advice and let people know that, hey, you just have to be wise. Don't fall too fast, don't fall too hard. Even if you've fall already or you fell already, get back up, bounce back. Don't drag it out. Don't, pull things to the point where it's not supposed to be pulled to. There's a limit for everything, and some people will come into your life with the intention of being with you, and then things happen, and then they turn their back on you. So be mindful of that as well. It is not easy. It's easier said than done, and that's the reality. But, I guess it's one of my job or duty to inform you that life goes on, and you have to be strong, and sometimes we just have to be independent. Sometimes we just have to, you know, stick to the things that we know, stick to the evil that we know. Just find alternatives, find things that will make you happy, friends that will make you happy, people that will make you happy, and get your mind off a certain situation or a certain people. So try not to attract them. Try to be mindful that people are like that are out there. They will treat you good. You feel happy. You feel like everything is working, and then out of nowhere they drop you like a bomb. So keep that in mind as well. But it's just a small little video. I know it's not organized or anything. I just want to give that advice because I have a lot of stuff on my mind, and I'm just sharing that. I don't even know the title for it, but yeah, I'll figure it out. So thanks for watching JVLOGS again. If you have any experience with any of that, anything that I talked about, people using you or people treating you good and then dropping you, and it was unfair for you, then you can let me know in the comments below. And if you have any other questions about any other video, you can feel free to do that as well. Leave a comment in the description below, and feel free to ask me anything that you want. So thanks for watching JVLOGS again, guys. I really appreciate you. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Thanks again. I'm out.